Hey everyone, I'm going up to Broadway Cave in the Superstition Mountains. Looking back on the trail now, I'm heading up this way on Jacob's Crosscut Trail. You can see the cave in the distance on the side of the mountain up there. Get around this right here, I'll show you. Been a pretty level trail so far. Then we'll go up the hill to the cave when we get closer. Okay, I'm at about the mile mark here. We have a sign. Jacob's Crosscut continues to the left, over this way. And there's a wood that kind of looks like an arrow. No words on it. Goes to the right. And as I read online before I came here, you go to the right of this one and follow this path. It's less defined, pretty rocky, but should be pretty good. We're getting closer to the cave. Okay, I've been waiting for the next spot we go right. They said to watch for the large pile of rocks. Stop taking this view over here. Show you a little bit more of the trail. We're on a couple switchbacks here. But we're getting really close. Can see a little bit of the opening. There's no animals in there. I've heard there's bats in there, which I'm okay with if they stay on the ceiling. But I hope there's no mountain lions or bobcats I'm about to disturb. little scary over there. I see more prints in here. Could be a dog. I think it just goes right back there. It ends. Oh. Nice little spot to take a break. Get all the way to the back. Wow, that's cool. If I was a mountain lion, that's where I'd be. Hidden from society. Oh, I should be a poet. I don't know how far back that goes. My flashlight's wigging out on me. It's flickering. Pretty cool, but not something to do alone. As most of my adventures are. Hello! I'd be running for my life or something. Someone yelled back. Oh, it goes up there too. I don't see any bats. Unless they're well hidden in these crevices. Oh my god. My backpack just fell over. Scared the crap out of me. So I don't see them, but I can hear the bats. They're squeaking, but we'll just listen. They're up here somewhere, in the crevice or something up here. Like right above me. Oh yeah, let's go this way. I don't want to disturb them anymore. I don't know if the GoPro is picking up the squeaking. I'm gonna pick up the few pieces of trash I saw around here. Someone had a little fire pit up here. They squeak when I step right below their little house. What's a bat house called? Yeah, they're in there. There's not a lot, which is very surprising. I'm very glad there's not a lot. There's a few pieces, like hair ties, someone probably lost that by accident. But I saw some newspaper over here. No, not this. That's duct tape. Over here, oh, fire starter stuff. I think they'll be back for that. Should I throw away their newspapers? There's also a spider in here. See the spider? I think that's someone's stash. Look, campfire. I hate sticking my hand in holes like this. I never know what creatures are down there. This is a cool cave to come check out. Not a long trail. It's a Tuesday afternoon or morning, so no one was up here. Just me and the bats. Which I didn't see, but I heard. And they're up in the crevices up there. Now the wind's blowing. Probably can't hear me. Alright, I don't know how much of the down hike I'm going to film, but I guess you'll see. I was just about to come on and tell you that I got the hiking pole out. And it really does help with endurance going up and with like slipping going down. I just slipped a little bit and my left knee and ankle are definitely feeling it. I just had the one pole out and the pole kept me upright. I didn't fall all the way. We'll do one more 360 and then we'll cut this adventure off. At least for you guys. I gotta walk back to the car. But alright, thanks for tuning in again and hanging out with me at Broadway Cave. I'll catch you next time.